welcome back to my channel. This one's going to be about, or this video is going to be about laying and Lisle and Ryobi. So let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, we got another hole punch, or gasket punch kit set. This one's from laying. This one has bigger sizes in it than the last one I showed on the last video, or that video that I had on it. Alright, got another one of these. This is for this single. Last one I showed was for the dual piston. Alright, let's move it out of the way. And we got this. You can see what it is. You see how much this thing was? Don't know if it's worth that. We'll see. For cutting boxes, and actually I got it for opening up packages like this. It's kind of ironic that it comes in a package that I'm buying this tool to open. That's kind of weird, ain't it? Anyway, let me get all the packages open, and I don't know, I may have to charge this battery. We'll see, and we'll get into it. Okay, while the battery's charging, it did have a little bit of charge in it, but we're going to let it charge for a minute. We'll get into these. It even comes with a little bit of gasket material. That's pretty cool. Anyway, you stick this tool here, in here. This is the cutting side, as you can see. You cut holes all the way up to, what is this, 1 inch? Oh, there's the sizes right there. All the way down to 5/16. Whatever size hole you need for a bolt or water passage or whatever. Let's see if I can do this with one hand and show you. There we go. See how it just pops in there? And then you put it on your gasket material and hit it with a hammer, and it cuts it. Pretty cool. A lot better than the other set that I got. Besides, it's laying, so of course it's better. I don't really remember what the other brand was. It was probably some no-name brand. Alright, now this here, of course, everybody knows. Everybody that does brake work has probably used them. All you gotta do is squeeze it in and put it on the caliper, and it'll push the pistons in. These come in handy for different situations. Sometimes I just use a screwdriver and stick it in there between the in that slot that's usually in the caliper, and pry over on it, and it pushes them back in. But this is a better way of doing it. It takes a little bit more time than doing it with a screwdriver, but it's still a little bit better way of doing it. And there's the number on it in case you didn't get it when I first showed it. And let me show you this again. And let's check in on that battery, and I'll be right back. Right. Battery, I don't know if it's fully charged or not, but it's a funny shaped little battery. Take the end off. I'll say take the end off. And then you just stick the battery in it. One thing I don't like is don't do anything. You got to push this button in and then squeeze it. And if you let go of it, as soon as you let go, They don't do anything. I don't like that. You don't have to keep holding this button, but you do have to keep holding the trigger. And I don't know. I know a bunch of different people had these things. I think you can even get one like this, not Ryobi, but one like this at Harbor Freight. I'm going to check in and see how much their price is. And I may take this back. I don't know. I don't really like it yet. I cut a piece of cardboard box from my creeper that I won. Check that video out. Let's just see. It's got a little bit of tape on it. See if it cuts easy. Yeah. It does cut easy. Huh. Kind of surprised about that. Now I did try, when the battery wasn't all the way charged, I did try to cut this package. Didn't really cut all that easy, but it's because it's not flat, you know, there's little bumps on it everywhere. But I kind of decided I don't want to mess this up because I may be taking it back. I don't know. That's why I got the box. Cuts box easy. Real easy. That's the main thing I got it for, was cutting up all these boxes anyway. And to cut those type of packages open, but I don't know. I may give it a try and get a while and see how it does. And charge this battery up all the way. See if that makes a difference. So far, I mean, it feels all right, but cuts good. I just don't like these two buttons. Where you got to pull the trigger, you got to push the button in, then pull the trigger. And like I said, you can let go of the button. You know, as soon as you let go of the trigger, you got to push the button in again. I don't like that. I know that's for some safety feature on it, but whatever. Well, I mean, it does cut, so I don't know, we'll see. I'll let you know. Let's see, I think that's it for this video. Yep, that's it. So, like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.